Maria, the brave swimmer. Maria was a brave girl. She was ready to help anyone in need. She cared for her younger brother, Daniel. Maria loved to play. She also liked swimming. She wanted to become a national junior champion in swimming. Her father would help her. He would record her timing when she swam. One day, her father exclaimed, "Well done, Maria! You have beaten the record time of the last year's champion." On the day of the swimming championship event, she arrived on time. She was prepared. Her parents also came to see the event. As the referee blew the whistle and indicated to start the race, Maria jumped into the pool. She was ahead of everyone. Suddenly, she noticed her friend Julia being drowned. She quickly swam to save her. Julia was saved, but Maria lost the race. Everyone was happy when she won the Bravery Award. Joe, the brave rider. Joe loved horses. His father owned a stud farm with many horses. Some of them were the world's best horse breeds. These horses were tall and strong. Joe was especially fascinated by a tall and strong horse, brown in color. He called this horse Ace. He loved Ace because it followed his command. Joe loved to ride on Ace as it swiftly sped through the fields. One day, a customer came to purchase a horse from his father. The customer selected a grey-colored horse. This horse was fast but difficult to control. The customer decided to ride this horse to test its speed. After running for some distance, the grey horse went out of control. The customer began shrieking in fear. Joe immediately rode on Ace to help the customer. After chasing for some time, Ace caught the other horse while Joe brought it under control. The customer thanked Joe. "You can donate your blood to anyone," her mother said. Jenny felt very happy. One day, Jenny was playing with a little girl, Alina. Suddenly, Alina fell off the swing. She was rushed to the hospital. Alina needed blood. Jenny volunteered to give her blood, but the doctor said, "Little girl, you are too young to give blood. You need to be 18 years old." Without losing time, Jenny called her mother, who donated her blood. Finally, Alina recovered and thanked Jenny. Jenny helps her friend. Jenny is only 10 years old, but her knowledge and understanding beyond her age. The other day, her class teacher taught her about the importance of blood in a human body. She listened to the lesson carefully. When she came back home, she asked her mother, "Mama, what is my blood group?" "Darling, your blood group is O negative, the same as mine. It is a rare blood group." Malala defies terrorists. Malala Yousafzai is a brave young girl from Pakistan. She is interested in studies and wants every girl to study. Her home is in the Swat Valley in Pakistan. When she was only 12 years old in 2009, she wrote about the Taliban terrorists in her area. They did not want the girls to study. They wanted the girls to remain covered in veils. Malala did not follow the orders of the terrorists. She continued going to the school while many other girls did not go to school for the fear of the terrorists. Malala did not fear her life. One day in 2012, some terrorists came looking for her when she was in a school bus. They shot her 3 times. Malala was immediately hospitalized for treatment. Later, she went to the UK where she recovered. God did not want her to die. She recovered and received the Nobel Prize in 2014. Everyone praised her bravery.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.